Hey guys, let's see today how to fix this issue, because if you are also getting similar kind of this issue, not all contacts were deleted. One or more of the contacts may be read only. Yeah, so I will let you know what is this issue meaning, because I wanted to delete this contact but unable to delete. Then what is the solution? Yeah, so guys, it's very simple fix. So for that, so first I will let you know what could be the reason. Yeah, because many iPhone users are reporting that when they try to delete some contact on their device, they get this error message says not all contacts were deleted, one or more of the contacts may be read only. So guys, no problem, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So first I will let you know what could be the reason why you are not able to delete. The reason is very simple reason, because that contact you have not saved through the contacts app. So generally how we are saving the number. So if you go to the phone number and if you go to the keypad, and generally we have typed the number and we have to save through that number. But that issue which we are getting, the reason is because that number we have saved through WhatsApp contact. The first solution is you have to delete the contacts from WhatsApp. Yeah, so for that, just go to that contact, and guys, just to click on the icon and the name and just go to edit, and you can go and just delete contact from the WhatsApp. Just go for delete, guys. Yeah, so after that your issue will be resolved. If still this issue not your resolved, then you have to go and check the same number might be you have saved in your MacBook, yeah, another devices. So just go and delete from there. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.